Oh, she's doing. She good?
Everybody is so grown. Like, I cried. I was like, oh my god.
Isn't it crazy? You feel, oh my goodness. Like, where does the time go for real?
So, what kind of memories are your most fondest growing up?
Video games with family. I play games with all of y'all. So, like, definitely games, like Nintendo stuff. Playing Just Over the Future with you, playing Mario, and Adventure Island and stuff like that with Abuela. I used to play Pac-Man and stuff with mom, stuff like that. The cruises that we went on to the Bahamas and Mexico. Theme parks, stuff like that. I don't know, like the little trips, but also like games. I would say especially. I don't know. Singing in the car. We used to play music loud as fuck and just fucking scream, sing music at the top of our lungs in the highway. We used to do stuff like that all the time.
Yes.
Absolutely. Heavy on the tea.
When I was little, when you guys were little, when you were little. Oh Lord. Oh my goodness. Cooking with my dad. Watching him make old-fashioned donuts and Karo syrup and pancakes and stuff like that, and watching Nature Channel with mom and dad. I didn't get out much because mom wouldn't let me go out anywhere. So, we also would go to the park because we were very poor, and in order for her to make lingbin, we would go to the park and we would pick berries, and she would come back home and make lingbins, the little square things that she does with the milk. Now, she would do with the berries, wild berries that we found at the park. It was pretty cool. Just going with me, my brother, my dad, my mom, the park and picking berries so that go back home and she can make lingbin. I gotta tell mom that I made it.
That you made it home?
She said that you would do good in California.
I feel like,
I would not